because only water this video kaba matoma kana share button ke to salumo ozia acho nga nju unu umu ibe kele exactly ife ndị pastor na-eme kele exactly ife ndị ụka na-eme that Mathias has not done within these past years. Can you tell me one single thing on a condemn about ndị that he Mathias has never done all this while? He started complaining about na emepe churches instead of emepe factories within a period of 2 years or 2 years, and he has opened Ọmenala Ndị Ezeaku Church in Mpo. He has opened another branch in Abuja. He has opened another branch in Enugu. He has opened another branch in Port Harcourt. He has opened another branch in Indonesia or what? More than 5 branches of Ọmenala Ndị Ezeaku within the shortest time of 2 years. That now those churches here they grow. It's not my fault or my problem. My main issue there is that he went ahead to open more churches rather than opening factories, as it was advising the pastors. Secondly, in that church, an offering. Unwelo every single thing at the menunuka at the men at that church. So why is he condemning the pastors? Number 3. Ndị churches na-eje evangelism. Uwepụta wesino ndị mmadụ hapụ afia ha ya azụ, hapụ ọrụ ha ya alụ, hapụ ego ha ya ejeshu. Ha eburu megaphone na-akpagharịsị na ha na-eje evangelism. Na churches o mepelu, ọ na-agakwa evangelism. We have seen his people and even him going for evangelism. Now, when you ask him, or try another reason, or you ojiwe name evangelism nke shefu na churches also where reason hajiwe na aga evangelism nke ha. That is number 2. Number 3, oguge egwule etu ndị ụfọdụ ndị fada ndị ụkọchukwu na ndị pastors si agụ agwu na-ele olekwuo n'ogodo etu ndị ụka si ele ogodo melisonna CWO and the Mothers Union and ụfọdụ ogodo ogota n'ogodo lesi ndị Ọmenala Ndị Ezeaku ogodo ha golukwu ụgwọ nekwa morning cry ka ọ na-aga morning cry omego crusade na Enugu state ọ na-condemn crusade ọ condemn go crusade si uje ebe ndị ọcha ka ịmana ya afọ ebe ndị ọcha ya anọkọta gbakọ sị na ha na-eme crusade na constitution users na stop public peace omego crusade. Now ojego morning cry ndị ụka na-erezi ego n'ụlọ ụka o wuru na the name of Ọmenala Ndị Ezeaku rezi ego whether na izi ni na-ereziri onye ahụ adịghị or not. Isi na ndị ụka na-erezi ego without accountability ngụnwa na onwe ego ijikwu all in the name of Daddy G.O. na-erezikwu ego without accountability. So can you tell me one single thing the churches has done that you have never done? There is nothing. It is all about competition. Imepe na church nke you. Grow away your church. Now you have seen that running a church in Nigeria, that growing a church in Nigeria, that all these things in I condemn Undoka, who a necessary thing you need for you to spread whatever gospel Ijinaka actually is spread to people. And that is why you choose to use the same avenues to pass your message. There is nothing you can tell us. For you to run a church in Nigeria, you need evangelism so that you can go and tell people, look, what is happening. That is the need for evangelism, to go and will souls for whoever God, whichever God you are worshiping. Emana need the morning cry. Mgbe ndị mmadụ ka na-eteta ụla, ka ndị mmadụ wee, mgbe ndị mmadụ apụbụ hapụ, ka ndị mmadụ wee nọrọ na befa, wee gee ntị n'onu, mmalụ ife na-ekwu. Emana that you need to open a church so that you can have people under one shelter, so that they can be able to concentrate and hear your voice. Otherwise, why not use your Facebook platform and pass the message you want to pass? After all, that the GO Yole Doshie Mepel online service. You gotta go online service. You gotta go. Now, knowing that we go that shelter, ebe people na gather, you know that you need offering so that you can be running the church. You see, accrue to that in Eme. And then go na hana alolo need they take something home. You need that who na service na go moko. You gotta go now, and for you to do that, you need offering, you need thanksgiving, you need seed. I need then branches. Need branches so that you can reach out to your members. Whether I had to two, whether not a family, you need to reach out to them. You need the crusade. You want to go in the crusade. Eba more like a quarterly or yearly revival. Let me put it that way. You want to go where people will gather in numbers from different places to share whatever message. You have seen that needily all those things, and that is exactly what you are doing. Let us just accept that there is no justification for you doing those things that you are condemning. You have just opened a church, a business. You are welcome to the business. You have just entered the same business. You are now more like a competitor to Ebukobi. You are a competitor to Adeboye. They are your colleagues. You gotta go in the same industry. You gotta go. They are as guilty as you are. You are as guilty as they are, if you put it that way. Obrun and Gongwa abaho into church business here for you to spread your message. They are into it to make money. Ma that naha into their own ministry to make money and not to spread the message. Man, into it genuinely for you to spread the gospel of your chukwu kikabiama. Manokwa na hangwa bakwa into it genuinely for them to spread the gospel of Jesus Christ. There is no mixture. There is nothing strange. There is nothing extra about what you are doing and what they are doing. You are like Gino. They are like Najiko Tomato. You are like Jolly Indomie noodles. They are like Indomie or Ike God. You are like Kosheris water, and they are like Ever water. You are like Nwagata Motors, and they are like Galaxy Motors. You are like Fujikawa battery, and they are like Hankook battery. You are like network aluminium, and they are like shattered aluminium. Competitors. That is what you people are. So, continue practicing what you are practicing. You are welcome to the business. Establish your own at the business, no this. Build successfully, go to your church. Atok is not down on people that you should be learning. Those men are your senior colleague in this business, so you should bend down and learn from them. Stop talking down on people you should be learning from, people you should be looking up to as your role model, so that you can learn from them they can tutor and mentor you on how to successfully build a church. Because as far as I'm concerned, you are failing in what you are doing. It's not obvious to you that you are failing in what you are doing. So bend down and be humble so that your senior colleagues can teach you successfully, because exactly what they are doing is what you are doing. Nothing more, nothing less. The other day, what is the difference from your annual Ofala and the church harvest bazaar and Ebe? They are the same thing. You other go. Ufala haji kono na shilevi. Man, no depends on your employee. Because I don't go.